Hey Conley Hills, today we're going to learn how to create forms so that we can insert that into Teams. So the first thing you're going to do is just log into ClassLink. That's easy. Now I know that there's a million different ways to access it. This is how I access it. I click on my Microsoft products and then right here you have Forms. Sorry, my internet at home is so slow. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you're going to create a new form. As you can see, our form doesn't have a name, so we're going to title our form, and this is going to be Getting to Know You Survey. So this is something that you can use the very first week of school. Just ask a couple of questions to get to know your students. But the best thing about forms is you can assess your students. You can use this for pre-test, you can use it for post-test, you can use it for just a little quick assessment as well. So we'll just say, answer some questions so we can get to know you. Oopsie. So I'm going to add a couple of questions. So I think like maybe the first question I would probably want to ask is maybe what's your name? So that we're going to choose the text because they're going to have to actually type out the answer. So right here, they're going to have to answer it. Then we can ask a new question. This time we might want it to be a multiple choice question. Maybe how old are you? So our first choice, since I teach second grade, might be 7, 8, maybe we even have a 9-year-old in here. Okay? Okay, so while I paused the video, I just added a couple of questions, couple more questions, such as what's your favorite subject in school? How do you learn best? During my free time at home, I like to. And how do I feel about being in second grade? So after you type up all your questions, you can preview it so you can see what the kids will see when they take it. Does it look good? Sure, awesome sauce. So then you just click back and then you're ready to share it. So you can get a sharing link. I copied it. Okay, sorry about that. That took a minute. So after you have your link, you can copy that and put it into your Teams, attach it, and then you can assign it to your students. That's how easy it is. Okay?